Saturday, February 15th, 2025 marks this highly anticipated and forgettable event of a book launch titled Resolute, Tenacity, a book that has been authored by Pst.Jane Muchina. This event will be held at Redeemed Church, 1636 South, 330th Street, Federal Way, Washington, 98003 at 16 hours Greenwich Meridian Time. This momentous occasion will be presided over by Pastor Patrick Mwanja, with Pastor Steve Degwa as our chief guest. Adding a soulful touch, we'll be having an inspiring performance by guest singer Jane Leah. The event will be coordinated by Kiari Prestige with Moirori Dengo as you are engaging Master of Ceremony and Chichi the DJ, keeping the energy alive in the mix. Remember, the event will be streamed live on Pacific Waves Television. Don't miss this celebration of faith, resilience, and purpose. Be fair.